Amp up your income. Tips to earn some extra money. We all want to get rich. Nobody wants to live paycheck to paycheck. However, with the state of the global economy, some people are left with no choice but to endure discomfort or even poverty. Maybe you have to forgo having regular dental checkups or even bear with just 1 or 2 meals a day. In a struggling economy, you have no choice but to endure. That's why today, we are going to look at ways you can earn some extra money. Welcome to Lux Diva, the place to dream, learn, and improve your life. Number 1. Do freelance work. Most of you are probably employed and work on a daily basis. While your day job might provide you with enough to buy your necessities, there may not be enough budget for wants and desires. Most of you can use the skills that you acquired on your regular job to do some freelance work. For instance, we know a primary school teacher who tutors kids outside her working hours in order to earn a little extra. Consider this. You'll do exactly what it is that you're good at, and you'll get some extra income out of it. This might be the key to buying your next ticket for an overseas vacation. We recommend freelance work, especially to those who get very little increase in their salary and to those who live in areas where the prices of goods are always increasing. There are a lot of online platforms you can use to look for freelance jobs. After finishing this video, go have a look and find some work that can help you better your situation. Number 2. Make deliveries. Have you ever tried ordering online? Have you ever had your food delivered to you? You see, almost everything can be delivered to your doorstep nowadays. If you have the time and the vehicle, and of course, a license, you can sign up to various delivery platforms. You can use your car, motorcycle, or even your bike to get in some exercise and get paid for it. For some apps, you can even offer to deliver food on foot. What's really nice about this is you can see different places while going to your destination. You don't need to put in a lot of effort. You just have to choose a few hours when you want to work and voila! You now have additional cash. Number 3. Be a moving advertisement. Have you ever seen advertising on a bus? Although companies nowadays are leaning towards using online advertisements, there are still several businesses that use physical marketing strategies. Aside from billboards that you normally pass by, companies make use of vehicles to display images of their logos or products in order to advertise. How can you earn money from this? You simply need to use your car as a moving advertisement. This is called car wrap advertising. You can contact companies in or near your city that use car wrap advertising and let them know that you'd be interested in advertising for them using the car wrap method. You just need to have your car wrapped or covered with vinyl. With this, you'll earn money that you can use for your car's maintenance or anything you want. Number 4. Organize a garage sale. If you have never gone through your old things, then this is your chance to earn some money while creating extra space in your home. Think about it. One way or another, there are going to be a lot of things at home that you don't need or barely even use. You could have a few too many shirts, childhood toys, and collectibles collecting dust in the corner, or bags that have been forgotten in your closet. Why let those rot when you can make money out of them? You can set up an actual physical garage sale. This also lets you talk to other people in your neighborhood. Or to make your life easier, you can opt to hold an online garage sale. Simply look for platforms where you can do this or maybe use social media. It may surprise you to know how many people are actually willing to pay money for your stuff. Number 5. Be a transcriber. Do you have a good ear? Are you fast at typing? If you answered yes to these questions, then you might want to apply for transcription jobs. A lot of companies these days are looking for people who can transcribe their video and audio clips. All you need to do here is listen carefully and type what you will hear, word for word. Sounds pretty easy, right? Number 6. Rent out your room. A lot of people are dreaming of going on vacations, and nowadays, there's this thing that you call staycation. People are excited to go somewhere new. If you have extra rooms in your house, this is your opportunity to make profits from it. You see, a lot of people have been listing their homes or apartments on rental platforms. You just need to turn those extra rooms into livable spaces. Clean them up a bit, make the bed look comforting, and put up a few decorations. If you have a pool, Wi-Fi, air conditioning, or other facilities, you're even more likely to catch the attention of travelers. You only need to sign up on applications in various platforms to let people know your rooms are up for rent. Number 7. Be a virtual assistant. Are you good at planning and organizing? Do you have a keen eye for detail? If so, then working as a virtual assistant might be a good option for you to earn some extra money. You see, there are a lot of people around the globe who are too busy to set their own schedules, and you can capitalize on that. If you're interested in working as a virtual assistant, you only need to use the internet to look for a potential client. Your client will explain what needs to be done, and you can do all of those online. Most of the time, however, you only need to ensure that their meetings are properly scheduled, their emails are taken care of, and their chores are sorted out. These are pretty easy to do and can be a good way to make that extra cash you need to improve your life. To some of you, making ends meet can be a hard feat, and sometimes it might feel impossible. For others, having some extra cash flow will help you to reach your investment goals quicker or allow you to travel. However, no matter how poor you think you are or no matter how bad the economy is, there are many ways for you to make money. You just have to earnestly look for them if you truly wish to become wealthier. We hope you have found this video valuable. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on the next video. Thank you for watching! If you have stayed up to this point, we want to reward your hunger to make your life better by giving you a bonus. Think outside the box. Every day, new jobs emerge. In the past, there was no need for virtual assistants as there was no internet. Advertising using vehicles wasn't a thing back then. In fact, the first ever car advertisement was in 1898. So, if you look at it, anything can happen, especially now that the technology is dramatically improving. Just search and think of ways to make extra money. If you feel that the economy where you live is in bad shape and is unlikely to recover fast, try looking up freelancing websites or apps. Check what kind of services people are looking for and are offering, and think about what services you could offer as well. Remember, nothing is impossible to the willing mind. That's all for today. See you again next time.